you're ready.
All right. So, we live in a world with grave threats, threats that humans will not always be able to foresee. Instead of eating those pesticides and unhealthy foods every day, GMOs are larger, healthier, and better. We heard a lot about GMOs these days, but what's the real deal? Are they scary mutants, or are they a safe protection to a global food chain? Dr. Steven Novella once said, GM is not agriculture, it is a tool. The real question is, how is it being used? GMOs are tested for safety before they can go to market. GMO seeds have been safety tested more than any other crop in history. According to the World Health Organization, GM foods currently available on the international market have passed safety assessment and are not likely to present risk to human health. In addition, no effects on human health have been shown as a result of consumption of such foods by the general population of the countries that have been approved. In the United States and most countries, GMO foods products must be tested before they can be sold. The testing process usually takes 7 to 10 years. It must include evaluation of potential risk to humans and livestock, as well as potential risk to wildlife and the environment. After years of additional testing and reviews by the governments, GMO seeds are approved to be sold for farmers. Next, biotechnology can be used to make foods better. Researchers are using biotech to make genetically modified food provide real benefits to humans and livestock. Scientists are trying to make crops that looks and taste exactly the same as non-GMO food, but they are resistant to insects and plant disease that can impact the farmer's harvest. For example, this tomato was engineered by researchers in the UK, which it can produce high level of nutrients called anthocyanins, which have been shown to be protective against a wide variety of human disease. It was engineered to genetically modify against certain viruses. These GMOs are designed in laboratory, where we can choose the trait we want. Scientists can increase the growth rate, make it bigger, add more nutrients, improve the diets, and make it immunized to patent disease. Moreover, we can take away all the bad genes from the original trait and add all the good ones, including the ones we designed, to make it better and prevent things such as mutation. On a larger scale, scientists are trying to develop plants that are more resilient to climate change, plants that can adapt to different types of weather conditions to make it resistant to drought or floods. Some GMOs can also use no-till farming, which makes it more moisture to the soil. No-till enables farmers to use less machinery, which means less fuel used and greenhouse gases emitted. Eating GMOs won't affect a person's genes. Humans have always been eating genes from plants and animals. We all eat DNA in our diets, whether it's GMO or non-GMOs. Our digestive system breaks them down without any effect on genetic makeup. Besides, the gene we eat into your body isn't activated. And the gene inside the GMOs is tailored to specific design of digestive tract of certain insects or disease, which means it is completely harmless for us. Unfortunately, some of these valuable and potential genetic GMOs were unable to do well in the market due to public misunderstandings of the potential danger of these GMOs. GMOs may be our best bet to adapt to changing global conditions. Climate change and population growth are putting increased pressure on the world nowadays. Thousands of people don't have enough food to eat in this world. And lots of countries wasting billions of food every year. With the growth of human population and its limited resources, one able to feed everyone on Earth. Every field and growing environment are different, which each with specific challenges for farmers. Croplands like California are experiencing heavy drought. In other areas, we're facing new blights, food mutations, soil pollutions, and diseases that seriously impact the food production. With GMO seed, farmers can increase the demand for food that can solve this crisis. We need to change agriculture to a more sustainable model. GMO as a technology are actually an ally, not an enemy. Help us protect and save the nature and also minimize our impact on the environment as well. The GMO under development today not only improve the farming industry, but also allow farmers to use its resources efficiently, fighting pests and disease, and solve the insufficient of the food supply, which will help us meet the new challenges of tomorrow. Thank you.